Okay, so if you're taking a 3D scan, very similar to plaster of Paris, you need to put the foot as close to subtalar joint neutral as you can, and the main reason to that is so that you're starting as the same reference point as your lab. So what you'll do is you'll put the foot over there. What the idea behind that is it puts the knee into the frontal plane and it helps put that foot into subtalar joint neutral. What you'll then do is you'll load the lateral column of the foot, and then you'll ask the patient to hold it there for you. You then grab your scanner, type in your patient's name, and then scan the foot. So you put the foot into the box provided, wait till it's all green and press scan, and it starts to fill. And it will let you know if you or the patient have moved or moved too quickly. So try and get similar amount of data as you would from a plaster of Paris mold. And then end scan, and then you can preview the scan to your patient.